Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Creative Retreat Street. I do want to thank you all for coming and supporting this channel. Please subscribe. It helps my channel grow. Today, we will be doing a Valentine's wall art decor. So we are going to start off with the canvas. I got this burlap canvas at the thrift store for only $3. I'm pretty sure you can get something like this at Hobby Lobby, maybe Amazon. And then I got just a bunch of hearts from the Dollar Tree. I plan on stacking it up. And I use my fingers to measure. I don't get the tape measure. I don't do anything like that. I just use my fingers and go from there. So I basically just put this heart cut out where I wanted it on the canvas, and then I just start hot gluing it down. Just be careful here. It does have holes, and don't burn yourself if you decide to do this project. I do like to do with the hearts is glue down one side and then get that glued down, and then come back to the other side and put glue on that and get that glued down. Make sure it's even. Now for this heart, I decided that I wanted some pink. So I actually have some vinyl left over. I've had this for a very long time. I actually got this at Walmart, but I do know the Dollar Tree does have vinyl, the glittery vinyl. I'll be honest, I don't use the Dollar Tree vinyl, but only if I use it to cover up something like this. That's when I'll use it. Of course, you want to make sure it's smooth on one side. Here I'm just removing a little bit of the excess. I don't need a lot, but I did leave probably about an inch, inch and a half around the heart, just because I am going to fold that over. Now, what you want to do here is that you want to actually cut some slits on the side of the vinyl. Right there where it's kind of, it is curved, but it's kind of straight. Those slits can be bigger. Once you get to where it's more curved, you do want it to be, closer together. Now, I ended up picking this up at the Dollar Tree as well. I believe it had like a gnome. I'm just going to fill that up with hot glue. I like how it's metal, but I don't like how it's like really, really shiny. So I decided just to, get a little bit of the chalk paint, Waverly chalk paint. And I didn't use a lot. I dry brushed it just so that way it kind of looks a little bit rustic. So I got this at the Dollar Tree, came with the gnome. It was pretty easy, to remove. I did not like the gnome. I don't like the gnome themes. I don't understand it. If you love the gnomes, that's awesome. I love that for you. Comment down below if you like the gnome theme or if you don't. Be careful. That's one thing I would say is be careful here. If you get it close to the edge, when you flip it around, just make sure you don't burn yourself. I picked these up at the Dollar Tree as well. It comes, they're 3 glittery hearts, and it comes in 3 different sizes. So I thought it needed something in the middle, and it actually fit perfect. Now, I felt like I needed some more on the canvas, so I got these little heart doilies at the Dollar Tree as well, and I wanted to I didn't want to just put hearts everywhere, okay? I wanted to do it a little bit different. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to make an envelope with these doilies. It's pretty simple. It's pretty easy. You just fold in the sides, start the heart upside down and fold in the sides. I like to tape it off here so that way it don't move. And then you just fold it to, you fold the bottom up and then you fold the top down. Make sure everything looks even, just like that. And then I do have these little heart felts at the Dollar Tree. I hot glued it. I do know that they do have adhesive at the back, but it looks just like an envelope. And yeah, you can make different ones. And it looks, I love how it turned out. It looks great. So I wanted a little bit of height on the white envelopes, and then I was going to put the pink envelopes underneath it. So I just got one of those Jenga blocks, and I hot glued that down. I loved how it turned out. It looks amazing. At the top, I do know that like I could have used the bows and I could have made a bow and put that up there, but I felt like I'm not really good with bows. I'm just gonna throw that out there. So I did have leftover flowers from a previous project, and I just basically put flowers all the way at the top. And this is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. It's right above my fireplace. Comment down below. Let me know what you all think, and thank you for watching.